Hello, Assalamualaikum YouTube. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Today I like to share how I mount the action cam GoPro to my handheld gimbals. Usually I will using this ones, the adapter for the GoPro, but I found the problem is when I want to capture some audio on my footage. Usually for the GoPro user, if you want to record an audio with we must buy this one. This one is called the mic adapter, but the problem is when you mount the GoPro to this camera adapter, it's hard to attach the mic adapter to the camera, so it's quite difficult for me. But I already find I think this one is the better way how we can mount the action cam and the mic adapter to the handheld gimbal. Okay, so what I do is, if you see from this side, this is the clamp of the handheld gimbals. When I put the action cam to the clamp, there are some gap below it, or if you below it, what I do is I fill the gap with the mic adapter. So we stretch a little bit the clamp, then the action cam sits below the mic adapter, and then just put the connections to our action cam. Voila, and this is how it looks. So then we balance it so okay, and then voila. So now you don't need to using this one. This one is I think around 15 ringgit Malaysia if you buy from Shopee. So on the handheld gimbal. Ta-da! The end result. So we can attach the mic to our action cam, so we can get a better audio, and we also can vlog while using this gimbal. So that's all I want to share for today. A short video. Hope you can get some idea how to mount GoPro with a mic adapter, because I find that it's very difficult to using this one. But if you're not using the mic adapter, I think it's okay lah. But if you want to mount the GoPro with the mic adapter, I think this one is the better way lah. How we can get better audio from our action cam using a gimbal. So I think that's all for today. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channels, and don't forget to subscribe for our local YouTubers. Subscribe them, support them. So that's all from me for today. Ciao.